Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start with a strong foundation. In this video, I will explain how to make canned chickpeas taste good. First, always drain and rinse your canned chickpeas thoroughly under cold running water for at least 1 minute. This simple step is crucial as it washes away excess sodium and any metallic aftertaste from the can. You'll notice an immediate improvement in their natural, earthy flavor and a much better texture, making them ready for any delicious recipe you have in mind. Once rinsed, it's time to infuse some serious flavor. Don't be shy with your seasonings. A fantastic blend includes 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. A generous pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper will elevate everything. Toss them gently with a tablespoon of olive oil, ensuring every chickpea is coated. Let them sit for at least 30 minutes to absorb all those wonderful aromas. The cooking method dramatically impacts texture. For a delightful crispiness, spread your seasoned chickpeas on a baking sheet and roast them in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, stirring halfway. If you prefer a softer, more tender bite, sauté them in a pan with a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. An air fryer at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes also works wonders for a quick, crispy snack. Now that your chickpeas are perfectly prepared, the possibilities are endless. Toss crispy roasted chickpeas into your favorite salad for an amazing textural contrast and a boost of plant-based protein. You can also blend them with 2 tablespoons of tahini, the juice of 1 lemon, and a splash of water to create a wonderfully smooth and flavorful homemade hummus. They are also excellent additions to hearty stews or vibrant curries, adding substance and absorbing all the delicious flavors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.